We have done with the minimum value of the list. Now we are going to solve an example where we will check that how to get the maximum value of the list. Example number 18. If I have print of maximum of 1, 4, 7, run it, it returns 7, which is the maximum value of the list. It is exactly the same thing, just put max instead of mean. Max means maximum. Use the maximum function, maximum of 1, 4, 7. What is the maximum value? We have only 3 elements here, 3 values here, 1, 4, 7. 7 is the biggest value. It is the maximum number among all these 3 elements. Therefore, when you run this program, it will return 7, which is the maximum value. That's how we can identify the maximum value in the list by using the maximum function. This is the first way of the solution. The second way of the solution is to directly put maximum of 1, 4, 7, run it, you will get the same answer, 7. We are doing it without the print function. The third method is to give the identifier. Name it by the x equals to 1, 4, 7. Call the variable x with the maximum function. Again, you will get 7, which is the same answer we got in the last 2 methods. So there are 3 ways that you can solve these programs.